Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Ford revealed the all-new 2019 Ford Ranger for North America, bringing mid-size truck fans a new choice from America's truck sales leader, one that's engineered built Ford tough and packed with driver assist technologies to make driving easier whether on or off-road. Production begins in 2018 at Ford's Michigan assembly plant as customer demand is growing for mid-size trucks. U.S. sales are up 83% since 2014 as a new generation of mid-size truck buyers seek more maneuverable, fuel-efficient pickups. The 2019 Ford Ranger answers the call with an all-new mid-size pickup featuring a new exterior design, chassis, and powertrain developed specifically for North American truck customers. Powerful and strong, with a high-strength steel frame, Ranger is equipped with a proven 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine mated to the only 10-speed automatic transmission in the segment. Ranger has always held a special place in the hearts of truck fans, said Hao Tai-Tang, Ford Executive Vice President, Product Development and Purchasing. The all-new Ranger is designed for today's mid-size truck buyer, delivering even more utility, capability, and technology for those who blend city living with more off-the-grid adventures on weekends. Ford Ranger comes in entry-level XL, mid-level XLT and high-level Lariat trim series with available Chrome and Sport Appearance and FX off-road packages, and in Super Cab or Super Crew Cab configurations.